so happy to be here with all these achievers, and what a lovely privilege for me to actually crown them. Crowning one woman probably is an achievement itself. But then crowning 16 women on the same single day, it's a remarkable program. I must congratulate Richa because I can go back few years back. First time when she entered into my room and when she saw some of the awards there, I could see a changing colors on her face. She had a awe and wows, all that. She says, "Oh my God, when I'm going to achieve all this?" This is few years back. And then I remember she murmured, probably she was talking to herself, but I overheard, she says, "One day I am going to get hundreds of these kind of awards."
I'm happy and proud to state that Luxury.pr is just in a short span of 2 years has achieved such glory. We are known as the top PR company which not only excels in overall branding but also takes the lead in promoting women empowerment. As a PR firm, we strongly believe in giving opportunities to fresh faces and to women who might think 9 से 5 की जॉब अब बोर हो गए, काश हम कैमरे के सामने पोज कर पाते, काश हमारे लिए एक अपॉर्चुनिटी होती कि जहां हम जाते और वो हमारा ध्यान रखते कि हमारे हिसाब से क्या बना है. Go back to all the title holders, to my friends, to my acquaintance, to my influencers. 1 year back, these title holders whom I have in front of me, few of them were so shy. So they first shoot, and now there is a huge transformation. And it could not have been possible without, of course, the support of my team, but also the energy in you, the power in you, the zeal in you.
Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, let's raise the energy for this dynamic brand ambassador of Luxury.pr 2024. Her journey with us has been nothing short of extraordinary, from gracing our shoots at Met Gala to conceptual photo shoots, portfolio features, luxury ride campaign, and even starring as the cover personality of Luxury.pr calendar 2024. She has also made her mark with esteemed designer labels like Study by Journal, embodying the essence of their powerful campaign, "All Brides Are Beautiful." She has walked the ramp promoting cross-cultural ties for international embassies like Vietnam, Myanmar. Moreover, she was felicitated as brand ambassador for Luxury.pr at the Luxury.pr Awards 2023 held on 27th of January 2024. She has been a part of various pastry events, social gatherings. By next month, she'll be completing her tenure. So let's give her applause she truly deserves. So guys, any guesses? So here welcome Luxury.pr brand ambassador 2024, Upali Prakash Chabra.
Now, her remarkable contributions culminated in her being honored as crowning glory of Luxury.pr. So let's hear for Dr. Rabia Bhatia.
So guys, let's have a huge round of applause. She truly deserves Luxury.pr budding artist Monica Kapoor. So let's give a huge round of applause for Neeru Daya, the versatile star of the year 23-24 for Luxury.pr. So let's call upon stage the talent icon of the year 2023-24, the beautiful Garima Kachar.
call upon stage the rising star of the year, Deepika Tandon. So guys, let's give her a warm round of applause. We have Miss Novel Diva, Shivangini Tiwari. So let's celebrate her inspiring journey and let's call upon stage the influential innovator of the year, Anshu John. Guys, let's hear it for Anshu. So let's call our beauty personified of the year, Bhakti Dubey. So guys, let's call International Diva of the Year, Tina Singh. Let's make some noise for Tina.
This is an announcement for everybody since it's a surprise from Luxury.pr and me as founder Richa Mehta. I would request Dishi Bhatnagar to please come on stage and read out the memorandum as she is taking an oath for the next year.
It's a big surprise for me.
Very good evening, everyone. I'm feeling a little bit nervous, speechless. I, Dishi Bhatnagar, stand before you today to announce my role as the proud brand ambassador of Luxury.pr, commencing my tenure in October 2024 for a year thereafter. I humbly accept the great responsibility this role entails with deep gratitude for the trust placed in me. I solemnly pledge to uphold and champion the values, mission, and vision of this esteemed organization. I commit to representing Luxury.pr with unwavering integrity, passion, and dedication. I understand that this role is not just a title, but a commitment to embodying the principles and ideals that define our brand. I will strive to reflect the highest standards of excellence in everything I do, knowing that my actions and words will shape the perception of our brand within and beyond our community. In every interaction, event, and campaign, I will advocate for the values we hold, using my platform to inspire, engage, and empower others. I recognize the power of influence and will use it responsibly to drive positive change, foster meaningful connections, and elevate the reputation of Luxury.pr on a global scale.
For every woman sitting here. So before we close the evening, I would want few closing notes from the Sandeep sir and then followed by Richa sir. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Let me
Design program. I'm very happy. I'm happy because you are happy and the excitement what you have shown on the computer. God bless you. I think it's the beginning of the next show, which is going to be now in the month of October, and I'm happy that Marva Studio is going to be partners with this program in the next show. You're cordially invited to be a part of that program again. Whatever assistance, whatever help, and whatever support Richa is looking for, we are here to give to this organization. We get passion to this organization. I think it's my not only duty, but dharma to see to it that this event must grow in a much bigger way. Thank you very much once again. Thanks a lot. Don't forget that we will be calling you for separately for your interviews for radio and television. Thank you very much.
We're very happy that today we have crowned 16 women who have done extremely well, and they are the people who were earlier selected this year for their excellent work contribution to society. And today we have crowned them at Marva Studios in association with PR.Luxury. This is another organization which has joined hands with us. We have a very powerful program at Marva Studios for women's empowerment. And under that program, we have taken this organization also as a part of our job, as a part of our religion. We've been conducting large number of events for women. The whole sole purpose is to give them a space, give them an opportunity, give them a exposure through media, also through events. And I'm happy that today event went very well. And every woman who's been crowned today, they're very happy and excited. The best part is that their contribution is immense, and I hope that they will get a new energy from this program to add on little more to whatever best they are doing today for the society.
हाय एवरीबॉडी, मेरा नाम ऋचा मेहता है। मैं एक मॉडल और एक्टर हूँ, लेकिन क्योंकि मैं एमबीए फाइनेंस हूँ और कॉलेज टॉपर हूँ, तो वो ज़ील, एंटरप्रेन्योर की ज़ील कभी नहीं जाती। That's how I started Luxury.pr. It's a PR firm. I started 2 years back, and 2 ही साल में 65 cities plus 5 brands we have established internationally. साथ ही साथ हमने एक ऐसा प्रोजेक्ट लास्ट ईयर शुरू करा जिसका नाम था टाइटल होल्डर्स। उन्हीं टाइटल होल्डर्स को हमने 27 जन 2024 में लीला में हमने ऑनर किया था, और आज उन्हीं की क्राउनिंग सेरेमनी। ये एक प्रोजेक्ट है जो वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट पे है। ये उन लोगों के लिए है जो अपनी 9 से 5 जॉब करते सोचते काश मैं भी कभी कैमरे के सामने आती, काश मेरी लाइफ में भी कुछ ज़ील होती। चाहे वो एंटरप्रेन्योर हो, कॉर्पोरेट में हो, हाउसवाइफ हो, टीचर हो, कोई भी जॉनर के लोग जो सही लगे उनको उनके हिसाब से टाइटल दिया गया और उनको आज क्राउनिंग सेरेमनी करी गई। आई एम सो हैप्पी एंड प्राउड कि सब आए अपने अपने शहरों से। ऑल्सो आई वुड लाइक टू थैंक संदीप मारवा एंड मारवा स्टूडियोज ICMEI फॉर पार्टनरिंग विद अस। आज क्राउनिंग सेरेमनी में मुझे लगता है कोई भी कमी नहीं थी, सिर्फ मज़े ही मज़े थे। एंड आई एम सो प्राउड इन स्टेटिंग दैट जो मैंने सोचा एक प्लांट में सीड बोते हैं वो धीरे धीरे फ्लरिश होते हुए इतना प्यारा हो गया कि मज़ा ही आ गया। थैंक यू सो मच एवरीवन फॉर कमिंग इन, एंड इट वाज इंडीड एन ऑनर। बहुत अच्छा गया शो, थैंक यू।
Hi, I'm Tina Singh and I'm International Diva of Luxury.pr, and today I'm here for the crowning ceremony, and I'd like to thank Richa Mehta for giving me this opportunity. It's a great honor. Like, I'm a model as well, I'm an actor as well. I've done various shoots, but like getting crowned here today, it's a wonderful experience. So thank you so much.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम गरिमा कटियार है और मैं टैलेंट आइकन ऑफ द Luxury.pr, और मुझे यहाँ आकर बहुत अच्छा लगा। थैंक्स टू रिचा एंड मारवा सर, उन्होंने ये अपॉर्चुनिटी दी, और थैंक्स टू एवरीवन, आप लोग यहाँ आए और इस इवेंट को इतना बड़ा बनाया। थैंक यू, नमस्ते।
Good evening all. I'm Upali Prakash Habra, brand ambassador of Luxury.pr. Today I'm here for my crowning ceremony, which is the B-Day for me and a dream come true. I'm overwhelmed today, very happy, very excited, just feeling like a queen. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, I'm Neeladaya and I'm Versatile Star of the Year by Luxury.pr Richa Mehta. I'm Yoga Acharya International Certified. I'm Miss Wellness, Miss Fitness, and Mrs. India. Today we are here for the crowning ceremony, and I must say it's not only an event, it's the celebration of womenhood, celebration of strength. And this ceremony beautifully organized by Marva Studios by Luxury.pr. It was an amazing experience to be here. Thank you.
So hi, this is Deepika Tandon, Rising Star of the Year by Luxury.pr, and I'm so grateful for this crown that I've got today as a title holder, and I'm really thankful to Richa and the complete team of Luxury.pr. The whole journey of the last 1 year has been really enriching as a person and as a model. After 13 years of corporate journey, I wouldn't have thought of transitioning into this role, but Richa confidently identified my skills, my talent, and worked on it as well, helped me to groom myself. So this is really a fabulous moment for me. Thank you so much.
Hi, my name is Anshu John. I'm the influential innovator at Luxury.pr. Today I am here at Marvaha Studio for the crowning ceremony.
Hello, my name is Bhakti Dubey.
beauty personified of the year for luxury.pr. And today's experience was awesome. आज जो खुशी मिल रही है ये crown पहन के, look at this beautiful crown. It enhanced my confidence, my beauty, and my, I don't know, I have no words now right now. But I'm really very thankful to Richa ma'am and Marwa Studio, Marwa sir, Sandeep Marwa sir, for giving me this opportunity. Thank you so much.
Very good evening. My name is Dishi Bhatnagar. I am the brand face of luxury.pr. Today, जो ये आज event है, ये एक crowning ceremony event है, which is organized by the founder of luxury.pr, Richa Mehta, and in association with Sandeep Marwa ji at Marwa Studio in Noida.
So hi everyone, myself Dr. Rabia Bhatia. मैं by profession एक educationist हूँ, public speaker हूँ, sustainability ambassador हूँ. I joined this luxury.pr 2 years ago, and today I'm wearing this crown as a crowning glory of luxury.pr. I'm overwhelmed today. I'm feeling so proud of myself as well as for each woman who could not fulfill their passion, who could not fulfill their dreams.
Hi everyone, I'm Ghazal Arora, just being crowned as the queen of luxury.pr today. My journey with luxury.pr has been commendable, a remarkable and undeniable journey that I've seen in past 1 year. I am a cybersecurity expert by profession, and then as an anchor, I'm a passionate person who likes to speak a lot, but then working with luxury.pr has been a privilege with me. Working on the curated projects that I always wanted to showcase my talent to the world itself. This platform has been, journey for all the women who believes that if they have strength, they can do anything. If they have passion, they can start anytime. So being thankful to luxury.pr and Marwa Studios as well for providing all the opportunities that I have seen. And I think all the women, just a suggestion that I want to put everybody here, just come forward, believe that you have wings, and then you can start to fly. Thank you so much. Being Ghazal Arora as a queen of luxury.pr is a privilege for me today. Thank you.